I think that many people stay with their friends because it's like, oh, they value history over chemistry. And the thing about history, it gets corrupted, and you're so comfortable with it, right? Um, I think just the family is the past because that's the blood, but I would say you should value chemistry and intention and all that over the history. Oh, I knew him for 7 years, 10. It doesn't matter. One day he could just really talk shit behind your back, or a business deal can go wrong and they fuck you over. So just valuing literally the actions day by day, every day proving yourself, and yeah, just having a kind of like a map, and following that map, and then it'll always lead you towards your destination, no matter what obstacle.